Hi, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the waves. So what is the meaning of the wave? Do you know the definition of the wave? When you observe the waves in your life, we are observing so many waves in our life. For example, here I am taking some water in a plate and I am throwing a stone into the water. So what you are observing, when we are throwing a stone into the water circles are formed and it will be goes to the forward direction, and when it touches the end it comes to the reverse direction. So you are observing formation of water circles. When you are dropping the stone, what you observe, some circles are formed like this. Here if you observe, only energy is transformed from middle point to the last point, but not the water drops. So it means here energy is transforming from one point to another point. And one more example, sound. Here now I am talking. When I am talking, my sound is releasing from me and reached you. So it means here sound particles also releasing and it will be travels in the air and reaches to you. So sound energy is releasing from me, it reaching you, but not from transforming the air. So it means in the both examples, what we are observing, energy is transforming from one point to another point, but not moving the particles of the medium. So that is called as a waves. Here, waves means energy is moving from one point to another point. But without moving of the particles of the medium, that is called as a waves. These waves are two types. One is the longitudinal waves. Second one is the transverse waves. First one is the longitudinal waves. Second one is the transverse waves. So, first one I am discussing about the longitudinal waves. Here I am taking a slinky and I am applying my force from left to the right. Then what happens? The vibrations are parallel to the direction of travel. It means wave propagation direction and constants of medium are parallel. These are called longitudinal waves. Here you have to observe waves only transfers only energy, but not the constants of medium. For example, here I am taking a bird on the surface of water. When wave is happen, then what happens? The bird moving up and down only, but not moving to the forward to front and back. So you are observing wave only moving from left to the right. Figure. So this is the spring. When I am applying my force here, how I am applying my force? Like this, in this direction. So force is applied like this direction. When I am applying and the energy is going to along the spring. So it means energy also goes to the forward direction. So the propagation of the wave and the direction of the particles of medium, both are parallel. That is called longitudinal waves. So once again repeating here. So what is happening? The wave propagation is parallel to the So the wave propagation is parallel to the particular of the medium. That is called longitudinal waves. And second one is the transverse waves. Here I am taking a slinky to show transverse waves and the longitudinal waves. When applying the force on the slinky, then what we will observe? Energy will be goes forward direction. So it means wave propagation and energy goes in this direction. So here in the transverse waves, vibrations of slinky will be perpendicular to the wave propagation. It means energy transformation. Now observe the video. In the video, the vibrations of slinky is perpendicular to the wave propagation. So it means energy transformation. So in the longitudinal waves, the vibrations of slinky parallel to the wave propagation, and in the transverse waves, vibrations of the slinky is perpendicular to the wave propagation. So this is the difference between the longitudinal transverse waves. So here I am taking the spring only. But here I am applying my force to the up direction. So it means when I am applying my force to like this, what is happening? This is the wave propagation, and these will be goes to the like this. So it means I am applying my force to the forward direction, but particles of medium will be moves up and down. So it will be parallel direction. When you are observing, it will be parallel direction. So it is called as a transverse wave. So wave propagation is parallel to the direction of the particles, that is called longitudinal waves. The wave propagation is perpendicular to the particles of medium, that is called transverse waves. And what is the difference? This both means longitudinal waves will be formed in the solids, liquids and gases. In the three states, in the three forms, longitudinal waves will be formed. But transverse waves will be formed in the only solids. And in the liquids also it will be formed, but on the only surface of the liquids, the transverse waves will be formed. And examples for the longitudinal is water waves, sound waves, both are the, and the light waves are the belongs to transverse waves. This is about the longitudinal and transverse waves.